What's going on, my beautiful people, on this beautiful morning? I'm at Starbucks right now. Hold on, give me 1 second.
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. Welcome to get started.
How you doing, boss? Can I get a large hot chocolate, please?
A large hot chocolate, okay?
Yep, and that'll be all.
Alright, I'll see you at the window. Thank you.
I appreciate you. That was only $3.65 for a large hot chocolate. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm tired as fuck. I mean, I ain't got no appointments today, none of that. Y'all see my car, this bitch is dirty. I don't give a fuck, you feel me? We got the pics of the day. These purple camo phone posits. These is cool. I fuck with these tough. I don't even like phone posits. These is my first pair of phone posits. They purple, you feel me? You gotta do what you gotta do. It is 8:56. The shop about to open in 4 minutes. I'm finna just go up in there, sit down, you feel me? Edit this video I got coming out. You feel me? I did a high taper on one side with the heart design on the other side. Cut came out pretty clean, yeah. Oh, she looking cute. Okay, now. Nah, let me stop playing. But yeah, you feel me? I just have a blessed day today. Let's get it started. You know, you gotta make it happen. You gotta go out there and get it. You can't let it come to you. Go out there and get that shit. You feel me?
There you go.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You too. They ain't give me my little shit that be sticking out of me. I'm hella mad. This bitch is, what the fuck? It's warm though, that's all that matters. I'm gonna keep it a band with you. This hot chocolate is nasty as fuck. Oh damn, I thought I was the first one here. My nigga Gary up in here, GQ, you know, the one and only. Up in here doing this thing, doing this thing, doing this thing. Let's see what he got going on up in here on this beautiful morning. Ooh, I didn't even put that bitch in park, nigga. Niggas is retarded. Nah, let me stop playing. Let me throw my shoes on. Hold on, y'all wanna see what I'm rocking with every morning? You feel me? The Walmart slipper, these bitches is comfortable as fuck. Make sure y'all get y'all some. These things is comfortable. I need to stop cussing. I'm on YouTube, bro. I can't be doing all that cussing no more. Let me stop. I apologize. Let's get this day started. We finna go up in here and mess with GQ. Lock this thing up. I'll be back. Next level cuts. My man up here chilling, you know, we always the first ones in and the last ones to leave. GQ, what's going on? What you gotta say to the camera?
I said it yesterday, I say it again. If I don't cut you and he don't cut you, don't get cut. Hey, hold on, bro. See, I'm trying to get like you, man.
Trying to. Hey, but like he said, if it's not me or if it's not him, don't come to the shop and get cut. You feel me? Shit like that. Ooh, I'm fucking up the camera and shit. My bad, my bad. Ooh. You feel me? See how these babies just looking? Gang it to it, you feel me? You gotta stay dedicated with your way. Feel me? I know I'm looking up at y'all, but guess what? One day y'all gonna be looking up at me. Nah, I'm sorry.
This how I go, I'm cutting up heads and I'm bringing them dough. I'm chilling with Uncle, my big nigga Mo. We throwing up fab and that's on the mode. We shooting some dice and we rolling some weed. I'm chasing the bag, gotta go get that green. You fucking with me, man, you fuck with my team. I pull out a 9, they say T-Buff don't squeeze.
Alright, look, first thing you want to do to start this haircut off, you want to pin the hair up and make sure you brush it down. Alright, look, with the next step, you want to come in with your liners and make that bald guideline. The way I do my ball guideline, I go in a rainbow-like shape so it can get a better transition.
Bro got a Drake in his big rapping. Shoot like a movie we call action. I need the ball.
Alright, with the next step, you want to take your clippers and go in with the lever open up about an inch. And when you get to that inch, make sure you flick out at the top so when you come in with the one guard, you can have a better transition. Most people take that ball guideline out at the end, but with me, I like to do it first because one, it's faster for me, and two, I feel like it's easier to blend everything else in. But once you're doing this, you want to make sure you open and close the lever every time you go up because you can make a harsh line towards it be hard to get out. So that's why I advise you to always open and close your lever every time you blend up.
Bro got a Drake in his big rapping. Shoot like a movie we call action. I need the ball.
Alright, with the next step, you want to come in with that one guard open, go up about an inch, and like I said with the lever open, once you get to the top of that inch, you want to make sure you have a flick out motion so when you come in with the next guard, everything can blend in smooth when you have a clean transition. Always, every time you cut, brush the hair down so it can feed into the teeth of the blade.
Felix told me not to fuck with y'all. Always blessed when you hear me talk. All time, fuck a runner rap.
Next thing you want to do, you want to come in with the two guard open and just knock down the rest of the boat that you see. Now what you want to do, you want to take that 1.5 and just blend in between the 1 and the 2. Alright, with the next step, you want to come in with the 0 guard closed and flick in between the 1 and the lever open. Every time you go up, make sure you open and close your lever. Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to do your detail work. I'm finna come in with my lever open and flick out in all the little dark areas that needed to be blended in. Make sure you use the corner of your blade because if you use the full blade, you'll nick a spot that you did not want to cut, and make sure you continue to brush the hairs down every time you cut.
Our kingdom come, that will be done today. Cali plays Blue Letterman. Cali tats on my Letterman. I was knocking on the devil door, man, that pussy nigga wouldn't let me in. Time to put this shit to rest. No ref, but that's a tech.
Now I'm using my one guard, and as you can see, I'm using the corner of the blade. I'm not using the full blade because I don't want to nick anything. And just continue to use that corner of the blade and make sure you brush all the hairs down.
Talk about it. You all about it, but never about what you talking about. You only walking to follow niggas who follow niggas. They be the niggas behind your back that be talking about. I keep a player no matter, keeping it savage. Grew up on 80-40 Weezy and watching Randy Savage eating captures on crunching and doing backflips passive.
Moving on to the next side, I'm gonna throw my 2 guard on and knock down all the bolts so I can be able to create the design. Alright, I'm gonna speed this up because there's not a lot I can tell you on making the design. You just gotta know what you're doing.
In the prisons they fight like they got a sticky nigga and sticking. Remind me when I was sitting for the shit that I committed was living like animals. I'm a motherfucking gorilla, little nigga, I don't play that. Boy, you walking too close, better get back. I be trying to lay low, trying to smoke my smoke. If a nigga won't smoke, he can get that. You don't want no problem, boy, get back. I be trying to be cool on the layback. You be doing too much, and I ain't with that. Boy, you doing too much, need to get back. Sip your red right, the old head right, and that's law. You got a problem, come say it to me. Don't pillow talk to no bra. Stay in your lane and stay in your place, and that's all. I'm the one that you should fear at night, cause your life ain't even worth a pair at night.
Alright, now I'm gonna throw my one guard on and just blend up like I'm creating a normal taper.
I went to Dallas, I'm copping the Mavericks. I keep me a peso in Indiana. Slapping that tree up inside of the package. Wait 48 hours before you go frag it. I may be the God, I'm a deity. In touch with my demons.
With my 1.5, I'm gonna blend in between the 1 and the 2 so I can create a better transition.
I really don't make up the shit when I'm writing. It really just come off the top and I write it. My learning abilities.
Now with the detail work, I'm gonna just clean up any bulk that I see and just throw some guards on to make a better transition.
When they finally walk, I tell them it expired. Only coming for your family, Michael Myers. Shop or go and start to singing like the choir. Think you really high, nigga, I'ma find you. You don't know my name, hi, I'm the guy. Smoke weed with the best of.
Alright, when it comes to lining up the beard, you want to make sure you comb the hair out so it can all stretch to its natural length. Then you want to come in with your liners and line them up to the shape of his face.
You gon' look like Reggie when he ran from Booker. Your bread right, the old head right, and that's law. You got a problem. come say it to me, don't pillow talk to no bra. Stay in your lane and stay in your place, and that's all. Nigga, I'm the one that you should fear at night, cause your life ain't even worth a pair of Nikes on God.
When it comes to the razor, make sure you stretch his skin so you won't cut him or anything, and hold the blade at a 45-degree angle.
And this thing got a 50 on it, I ain't gon' say which one. And my brother fucking on your bitch, I ain't gon' say which one. Mr. Sprite with the Henny, man, this shit be good as fuck. Yeah, this shit be good as fuck, but hold on, nigga, yo bitch so dangerous, sipping on this Hennessy.
Same step as the other side, so I'ma just speed this up for you.
I don't pay, nigga. One whole cake, one whole plate, nigga. I don't play, nigga. All my niggas got a plate, nigga. I call wrong, he pull up, but that shot, he leave your stomach gone. On the phone, bitch, you need to call my other phone. On the road, Granny don't know when I'm coming home. Chopper spray, that nigga start to running like it's fumigating. Hesitation, drawing off the hip, it ain't no hesitation. He ain't making, he ain't even feel his body hit the pavement. I ain't finished, double back real quick, I'm finna leave it vacant. Niggas start to speaking on my name, they need to cool it now. I'm only giving niggas one chance to prove what you about. Talking about them guns and all them choppers, bring them shooters out. I'ma bring a bag full of clips, shoot a movie now. Pick up in my hand and I kill you, I feel like Riddick. I doubt you missed the fire, I set the flames in the kitchen. I got way too many shotters, so we ain't leaving no witness. And I'm lethal with the weapon, I'm Riggs, I'm Mel Gibson. Then they govern with the chopper, walking funny, we airing shit. Back to back with all of my brothers, them niggas ain't trusting shit. Play with me, gang gorillas, them niggas stay with me. Take the keys, man, you a bitch, you can't relate to me. Limit squeeze, attachment for the ratchet, I got remedies. A bottle with some Hennessy, the Cali bare necessity. Gun smoking, dope fiends outside like autumn leaves. It's full mode, they be the God and Trey Holy.
Oh yes, Green. This one for the money.
Baby, hold me close, don't let go. And I can tell you everything you in for. I just need one more, here we go. She don't wanna give me all the info. She don't wanna.
I didn't show it in the video, but when it comes to the lineup, you want to make sure you comb all the little baby hairs down, so that when you line them up, you won't push his hairline back. And there's not really a lot I can tell you on how to do a hairline. You honestly just gotta know how to make a straight line.
But they ain't the same as you. I hate when you playing too. I love it, come on, show me all the angles I came to view. And love is what players new. I'm getting away with you. I'm snatching out your heart and there ain't nothing you tryna do. You let me get away with it. Tell me how you facing it. Drowning on your sorrows, girl, I can't just let you stay with it. Sorry, let me play with it. Taking all your pain with it. We can make it juicy, call your partners, tell them stay with it. Baby, hold me close, don't let go. And I can tell you everything you in for. I just need one more, here we go. She don't wanna give me all the info. You acting like you can't just trust me. Baby, what's the reason? If I'm going out, why you acting like I'm leaving? Cause something wrong, it ain't right going on. I can feel you alone, you ain't gon' let me know. I hate when you wrong, but I love when you right. I hate when we argue, I love when we fight. And she playing nice, her feelings alright. And tell me what you missing, but I'm gon' make it right. I feel it inside, you gon' hurt but don't cry. If I'm wrong, I won't lie, most of the real ones gon' die. I'm stuck with that fire, living wrong, I won't lie. When it comes to something special, keep it locked up inside. Locked up inside, strapped with that fire. I want you mine, baby, you mine. Baby, hold me close, don't let go. And I can tell you everything you in for. I just need one more, here we go. She don't wanna give me all the info. Fuck a red light, running from the cops right now.
Alright, this is the cut. I'm handing out blessings as always. Please like, comment, and share. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button for more content coming soon. I'm out of here.
right for me and my guys. Tryna get the bread right for me and my guys. What you do it for mine? Do it for me. Say she want my love, what you do it for me?